they're all using training data, right? Because they take all these x's, you multiply by the factor, right? But the thing is, you need to adjust those x, right? So how do you know to adjust the x? That is, you have a training data, you know what's the actual price that people accepted, right? And use that to adjust the parameters. Oh yeah, that linear regression thing is an algorithm, right? You could have also more complex algorithms, right? I'm just using the linear regression algorithm as a simple algorithm to introduce you. That's exactly what we've been feature engineering. Basically, you look at this data, you're like, probably street paved is better than not paved. And you need to come up with a way to engineer a feature based on your experience. And guess what? So when you think about turning everything into a number, and that's based on your experience, right? Based on your understanding of the world, based on maybe you know how great you are. In terms of traditional machine learning, that's a crucial thing. You need to handcraft those features. Guess what? In deep learning, do you need to handcraft those features? Okay, give me yay or nay. Do you think yes, we need to create a feature, or no, we don't need to create a feature in deep learning? We don't need to create features. Basically, you will see all these neurons, they connect somehow in a magical way. They internally code those features already for you. We do need to turn everything into numbers though. That could work for certain models, that depending on the model.